Hi children, in this section let us learn about the concept subtraction. The different terms which used to denote subtraction are take away, find the differences, how many left, how many more, how many less than, the differences of. All these terms denote subtraction. Then the different terms used in subtraction are minuend. Minuend means the number from which we subtract. That is, here we have 10. From 10 we are subtracting 6. So here 10 becomes minuend and 6, that is the number we subtract, is called subtrahend. And we get an answer, that is 4, and that is called as difference. The answer of addition, what did we say? Yeah, it is sum. So the answer of subtraction is called difference. These are some points to remember. We learned in lower classes that any number subtracted from itself will give 0 as the difference. That is 25, we are subtracting from 25 and we get the answer 0. That we can also say that minuend is same as subtrahend, then the difference is 0. Here the minuend is 25 as well as the subtrahend is also 25. So the difference becomes 0. Another point is 0 subtracted from any number will give the number itself as the difference. That can be also said as when 0 is the subtrahend, the difference is the minuend. That is, so here the subtrahend is 0 and the minuend is 10. So when I subtracted 0 from 10, my difference is same as minuend, that is 10 itself. I hope you all understood this. This is just recalling the few things which we have to remember in subtraction process. Let us go for the subtraction strategies. So already we know subtraction of smaller numbers. Subtraction of smaller numbers is same as the bigger numbers. Here I have to first arrange the numbers as per the place value chart. Here I have done that. Then you have to subtract the digit in each column, starting from the ones place. Then regroup if required. So here I should start from the ones place. Ones place I have 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. And here in the tens place I have 6 minus 8. 6 from 6 tens I cannot subtract 8 tens. So I am going to regroup from hundreds place. So here I have 7 hundreds. From 7 hundreds, so when I regroup, 6 becomes 16 and in hundreds place 7 becomes 6. So 16, from 16 now I can subtract 8. So 16 minus 8 is 8. Then again from 6 I cannot subtract 9. So I again regroup and this thousands place 8 becomes 7 and 6 becomes 16. So 16 minus 9 I get 7. And now here I have 7 minus 2 in thousands place. So 7 minus 2 I get 5. So here is my difference, 5781. Now how to check the answer of subtraction? For that the method is the difference plus subtrahend is equal to minuend. So here the difference is 5781. To the 5781 we must add the subtrahend. The subtrahend is 2984. When I add this both, I must get the minuend, that is 8765. Let us add and see. So 4 plus 1, it's 5, right? Then 8 plus 8, 16. So 6, 1 carried over. Then 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. So 1 carried over again. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So I obtained my minuend 8765. So my answer 5781 is correct. So here is another example. So as I said, I have placed numbers according to the place value chart and I have to start from the ones place. So when I start from the ones place, I have 1 I have to regroup and then it. So here in the tens place I have 0. So from 0 I cannot regroup. So I search for hundreds place. Hundreds place again it is 0. So from this 0 also I cannot regroup. So I go for thousands place. Again there it is 0. So I cannot regroup from this thousands place 0 also. So I check for 10,000s place. 10,000s place I have the digit 5. So from 5 I start regrouping and 5 becomes 4 and this 10 becomes, 0 becomes 10. Now what I have to do? Then hundreds place 0, again it regrouping from thousands place. So this become 9 and hundreds place 0 becomes 10. So I need to regroup this tens place 0. So when I regroup this 0 becomes 10 and hundreds place 10 becomes 9. Now in the ones place I have to regroup from the tens place. So in the tens place 10 become 9 and ones place 1 become 11. I hope you all understood this. Then 11 minus 6 I get 5. Then here in the tens place I have 9. So 9 minus 4 is 5. And here again in the hundreds place I have 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. Again here I have thousands place 9. 9 minus 9 is 0. Then in the 10,000s place I have 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So here I got my difference. So to check the answer of subtraction, as I said, I have marked my difference first, then the subtrahend. So if I add both, I must get my minuend. So 6 plus 5 is 11, 1 carried over, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 carried over, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, 0, 1 carried over, 9 plus 1 10, 0, then 1 carried over, then 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 5. So I got my minuend as answer. So my difference is correct. Let us go for another example. So here is a 6-digit number. So when I subtract, as I said, mark the numbers according to the place value chart, then start from the ones place. So 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 3, it's again 1. Then 7 minus 4, I get 3. Then 8 minus 2 is 6. And in the 10,000s place, I have 3 minus 8. So that's not possible. So I regroup from the lakhs place. So I get it is 13 over here. So it becomes 13 and 13 minus 8 is 5. And in the lakhs place I have 8. So 8 minus 7 is 1. So I get my difference over here. To check this answer is correct or not, I have done my method. So the difference plus the subtrahend. So when I added both, I got my minuend. So here I cleared that my answer is correct. Now here is a homework for you all. You have to collect any 3 pairs of numbers from any newspaper or magazine and you have to find their difference. For example, you got 2 numbers for the first pair. Find which is the greatest and smallest number out of that pair. From the greater number, subtract the smaller number and find the difference. Do the same for the second pair and third pair. I hope you all understood your homework clearly. Meet you all in the next section. Thank you, children.